Ever wished your spreadsheets could breathe life into your documents, automating personalization and saving you hours? Today, we're diving into a powerful integration that does exactly that using Pandadoc with your Excel files for seamless, data-driven document generation. First, let's assume you have a Pandadoc template ready. This could be a quote, a proposal, a contract, a circumflex euros, anything. The magic begins when we introduce variables. These are special placeholders in your Pandadoc template that tell Pandadoc where to insert data from your spreadsheet. You can set these up easily by clicking on the appropriate document elements, like text fields or dropdowns, and selecting the variable option. Think of them as empty boxes waiting to be filled with your Excel data. Now, let's look at your Excel file. It's crucial that your spreadsheet is organized with clear column headers. Each header represents a piece of data you want to pull into your Pandadoc. In Pandadoc, navigate to the document creation or template section and find the option to integrate with your spreadsheet. You'll typically upload your Excel file directly. This is where the connection happens. Pandadoc will present your column headers and your defined variables side by side. You simply match each Excel column to its corresponding variable in your template. Once mapped, Pandadoc intelligently pulls the data from your spreadsheet. If you have multiple rows in your Excel file, each row can become a new, personalized document. Now you can easily send personalized quotes, proposals, or any document to specific clients without manual data entry. This integration transforms your document workflow, ensuring accuracy, saving incredible amounts of time, and allowing you to focus on closing deals, not on tedious data entry. So, harness the power of your spreadsheets within Pandadoc and experience a smarter way to create and manage your documents.